Alright guys, today we are going to do a makeover on Gina. She is a new part of our customer service team and she is actually getting married, so she needs a volume extension. So we're going to film it for you guys today. And this is the 12 to 18 inch full volume extension in the color Elsie. You can see already that it matches perfectly. Alright, so I'm just going to basically go around the ends, Gina, and just like do it to your exact length, and then I'll put some layers, and then we'll look at it and see if you want some shorter layers. Okay. Some layers into the piece just to make it look more like it's her own hair. And then I will style it for you. Okay. Usually when I take it back off, everyone's like, oh yeah. It like really sells it to it once I take it off for some reason. So you'll just have to practice this weekend taking it on and off. Okay. Which is really, really easy. Alright, I'm going to take the 2-inch barrel and curl it for you. Put a little bit of hairspray in there. And we'll need to get you some of this hairspray. This is the only kind that I ever recommend for using for the pieces, because I can use it just a little bit every day and it doesn't get like sticky or crunchy. Yeah. So, because I don't shampoo my piece usually for like 2 to 3 months. Okay. So if you're going to use hairspray in it, you want to make sure that it's this kind, because otherwise you'll have to shampoo it more often. And who wants more work when you don't have to? We don't have to do it. And I have this iron only like halfway turned up. Okay. So with your own iron, I don't know what kind you use, but just start it out on the lowest setting. And if it'll style, then you don't need to turn it up anymore. Okay. Because they have a natural body wave in them, so they will hold the style a lot easier than our own hair. And then if you feel like you need to cut it up, cut it up. But usually I have to use a higher heat setting on my own hair than the piece. Okay. So. straighten our head either. But we can curl them and style them because we're not pulling on the piece, which would then pull on the clips.
Okay.
So I always tell everybody too, like the first day that we do it, there's not gonna really be enough hairspray in it. So I like to put a good bit of hairspray the first time, just because the hair is such a high quality that it's so soft.
Okay.
You won't be used to it. So if you're wondering why I'm gonna like kill you with hairspray, that's why.
Okay.
And if you end up wanting your bangs shorter, just let me know. Oh my gosh, it's so
It is pretty
cute.
I love it.
Oh my gosh. All right, let's show them the final look.
I love it.
Spin her around, guys, so y'all can see. Looks so good. I love the bangs. It's a perfect color match. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.
Thanks, Ashtyn.
Perfect.